Hello, my name is Lisa, Styles by Lisa, and welcome to my curl channel. Today I am demonstrating how I'm doing a short tapered cut wash and go, and I'm starting out by trimming my client. I want to talk about how important it is to keep your hair trimmed. It definitely affects how your hair feels. A lot of times people will come in and say that their hair feels dry and brittle. And most of the time, right after we trim those dead ends off, the hair instantly feels better. It's important to try to maintain your trims at least every 3 to 4 months. You don't have, if you keep it up, you won't have to trim as much when you do get it trimmed. So if you wait a year, or 6 months before you trim your ends, then you'll have to trim more because the breakage will continue to grow up. But if you keep it maintained every 3 to 4 months, it'll be minimal and you'll continue to grow your hair out beautifully. Now when I'm applying the products, I always start on wet hair for wash and goes, and I start out with our Moist Restore Leave-In Conditioner. It is an excellent leave-in conditioner, can be used as a daily moisturizer. It detangles the hair beautifully, it softens the hair, it gives the hair shine. You can use it to refresh your curls. And then the second product that I add to the hair is our Curl Foaming Mousse, which is like a cream foaming curl mousse that adds a cushion of moisture to the hair. And then I'll add our curl sauce, which is our gel, and I mix all of that into the hair on wet hair and try to distribute evenly with water. And then, pretty much I'm going to use my fingers to define the curls, starting in the back area. I like to start in the back area, but you can start wherever you want to. You just basically just use your fingers, take small partings, and you make sure that you are rubbing the products into the hair from the root out, and then you use your fingers to kind of separate the curls and place them. There's really no exact way, and it definitely depends on the length of the hair. If our hair was shorter, I would just use my fingers to kind of separate the curls and kind of twirl with my fingers. If she had longer hair, I would take a little bit bigger sections and kind of separate the curls out and define. So this is basically how you style. The most important thing is that you want to make sure that the products are distributed throughout the hair. And then you want to let it dry most of the time under a hooded dryer or diffuse, or you can let air dry. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and follow for more natural styling inspiration. To find our products, visit mycurlproducts.com.